In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no signal on your Amazon Fire TV stick. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. The very first thing I want you to do is try and put your Amazon Fire TV stick into another HDMI port. If you try and switch it to another one, it could just be that your port is a bit faulty right now, or it's not getting enough power input. So if you try doing that, it should work. However, if that still doesn't work, what you could go ahead and do is make sure that you're on the right input. So what you want to do is once you switch it, or if it's still in the current port, you can go to your TV settings, go to settings like so, where it says connected devices, and then look for the specific HDMI number that it's plugged into, or alternatively, you could just go ahead and look for the Amazon Fire TV stick like mine is showing up right now. That's what it should show up, but if you have a slightly older TV, then you're going to see like HDMI 3, HDMI 4, something like that. So make sure that's connected as well. And then basically what you can do from there is just go over to your Amazon TV Fire Stick. But it should be as simple as that. And yeah, let us know if you have any more questions down in the comments below. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other Amazon TV Fire Stick videos that we've been posting on the channel.